Hello again, people. This is Charles, and I'm going to be doing yet another thing with my 1972 Kirby Classic 1CR. And you're probably wondering why it's on a bed. Well, what we're going to do today is we're going to convert it into portable mode and vacuum this mattress. So here's what you need to do to convert it into portable mode. Remove the pin, which I've already done. Unravel the cord and unclip it from here, and then you need to unclip the bag. Just remove everything off the long handle. Take it off. Contact your accessories kit and get your portable handle. Let me get this at a side view. And slide it in there. This one's hard for some reason. It's like really hard to get in there. It's the original one, but I don't know. Yeah, it seems like it's like too narrow or something. But, you know, I managed to get it in there after a bunch of struggling. So, a lot of struggling, I should say. It seems twisted, kind of. You have to, like, move it up. I don't know. But you put that on there. Then, what you're going to do, this isn't the original Kirby shakeout bag. It's replaced with a Eureka, so, you're probably asking why it's such a long thing. Well, if you kink it, here's what the bag system does. It doesn't have a hose running up and connecting to the bag. The bag is its own built-in hose. It's like this office paper kind of stuff. It's like office paper. And if you own a Eureka, you know what I'm talking about. So, this thing, and it connects to this plastic thing at the bottom. So if you kink that with its original, I'll show you what it does with its original. It kinks that hose completely right where it can't be kinked, and it doesn't allow it to breathe. And it sounds like this. Okay, well that sounded normal, so it must be okay, but you know, I like to treat my stuff and not treat my stuff good and not take risks, so I'm just going to use it with the extension anyway. This is what Eureka actually had, you know, where I put the ball chain off of the original on there, so it would look like a little bit like a Kirby. So I got this spring off of that bag, because Eurekas have springs. And I got a paper clip, because on the long handle, this is too short, so it kinks the bag down here, not allowing it to breathe, and it kind of does this. So, you heard how it sounded higher pitched. So, I'm rambling on and on. I better just start this. Alright. Almost a foot long, but anyway. You loop it underneath, like as it says in the manual, and you have hardly any kinkage. Yeah, I guess that's what you would call it. But most people just loop it over the top, because the underneath is kind of twisted weird. So I'm going to start now. Alright, mattress test. That sounds 6. Alright, here we go. 1972 Classic 1CR. Wow, I talk a lot. Okay. finished yet. I'm just going to show you it from a different angle. I'm going to show you it from... I'll scoot the bed back so it doesn't fall. Oh, geez. If this falls, I hope not. You know what? In order not to take a risk of it falling, put a pillow right there. Hi, there you go. Hope the Kirby, the beater bar doesn't agitate it to where it falls. If it falls, bear with me, this thing is an agitating machine. It vibrates. I wonder if that filled my... Wow. It filled it alright. Well, it ain't a brand new bag. I mean, it filled it more than what was already in there. Let me feel. Wow. Okay. Not very full. But I bet if we check the rotor, there'll be white powder all over it. Because this bed has never been vacuumed. Which is disgusting. Even worse fact is that it's from 2005, February. February 2005. And yeah, a lot of items, or I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Let's see, what do they call it? Dead skin cells. And sweat, you know, mattress stuff. Ceiling fan. Alright. Found a piece of something. I'm going to suck it up real quick. Heard it pick up. Yep, sucked it up from like inches, like full inches away. That's Kirby power. Forgot I had to hook the cord up here. We got it for $150. Not a bad deal. This bag was $25 though, so, you know, $175 I should say. He said the original bag wouldn't blow dust, but it was a dusting machine. It made lots of dust all over the furniture. And it was like, it wouldn't blow dust. It won't blow dust. Next thing you know, there's dust covering the house. Fresh. So, probably haven't had a close-up of it yet. I'm still, the headlight cap vibrates against the belt lifter, and it makes this annoying rattling noise. Watch when I lay it down. It should make that noise. So that's why the light bulbs don't work. Like, I've already had, I don't know, 3 light bulbs for it, and they've all burnt out mysteriously. Well, now I know why. So, yep. The headlight cap might be loose. I don't know if they're supposed to be spring-loaded, but I know they're not supposed to vibrate against the belt lifter. So, something's wrong there, but other than that, it's a really good vacuum cleaner. I think this mattress is white again. No joke. I mean, it used to be, you know, this cream champagne kind of color. Like this lacing right here. It used to be a champagne-y color, kind of like. Maybe the underside of the, yep, no, it used to be this color. This color right here on the side. Now it's this color. Nice. Wait, is there a difference on camera? Yeah, you can see that. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the color came back to the bed. Very good. So, how long does this fit? Oh, wow, that's long. I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. More videos to come.